Mark groping the steering wheel. Mark was eaten by the van. Someone should help him. No.
Seriously.
I stepped on him.
Ow! No, get out of the way, Mix. So I'm gonna go end up right into.
Yay!
He's free. Oh my god. What did I do? I shoved my entire body into a very tight space.
Why?
Mostly to get wire. I'm caught on my thing. Okay, hang on. Well, actually, that was entirely to get all the wires run for all the power for this unit, which runs the scanner, the ham radio, computer, etc. It all has to be powered up, so we have to run a special wire through the firewall, up to the battery, and basically run the whole thing. Because these little things are not going to do it. This is okay, but we require mega power.